Hello everyone, welcome back. It's Wendy Lee. Today I have a dollar store haul for you from the 99. What do we call that store now? It used to be called the 99-cent only store. Is it now called the 99? I kind of think it is, but let me know. I just want to remind you that I always have my Instagram information down in the description section of this video in case you have Instagram and you would like to be friends on there. You can join me over there, and without further ado, let's see what I got. So I'm just gonna go randomly and just whatever's in the bag, I'm gonna pull it out. I mostly got fall and Halloween goodies, so they're all just gonna be kind of mixed up. So I got this purple spider web, which I thought was so cool. I love that color, and it comes with spiders. And I also got a white one. Oops. And let's see, let me pull some of this stuff out. I got this really pretty glitter pumpkin. This was $1. So far, everything I'm showing you was $1, and this was part of the fall collection. And let's see, I got some of this. This is fall, and this is called Hello Fall Ribbon, and I love that mustard yellow color. I love mustard yellow in the fall. Mustard yellow and burgundy are like so pretty together in the fall. I also got these really pretty spiders that have sequins on them. And I got this fall table scatter. So it's got like acorns and pumpkins and leaves. And then I got this Halloween confetti. So you can see there what the confetti looks like. And then I got these cute little favor boxes, which I thought would be cute to send like little goodies in Happy Mail or in swaps. Then I got these rats right here, these black rats. And these creepy little skeletons. Like, look at them, they're so weird. They have like teeny tiny short little arms, and they come in yellow neon. Is that like a neon green and purple? Then I found these bats. I'm gonna turn on my fan because it is hot. And I also got these black spiders with sequins on them. I don't know if you can see the sequins that good, but there's those. And then I found this fall confetti with all the different colors of leaves. And then I found some orange spider webs, some like neon orange. Oh, and I found this cute gift box that's shaped like a book. Or yeah, it's like a book, and then you open it up. So I thought that was kind of cool. And I found, oh, I actually got 2 of these. I didn't realize I got 2 of those. Hold on, let me pull these out. Oh, I don't have them all in this bag. Okay, I got these are bracelets. So they're bracelets with skulls on them, and I didn't realize, whoopsie. I didn't realize that I got 2 of them. So that's what they look like. So I got 2 of the red ones. Here you can see the skulls better on them. And I also got this, which I thought was really cool. It's plastic garland. So the chain is plastic, and then it's got like these plastic skulls on it. Then I got some more of those skulls that have those weird little short arms, and I got them in black. And then I got some spiders in the fluorescent colors. I'll move this to the side. And I found these really cute. These were $1.49. I found these really cute pumpkin string lights. And I found these cute cupcake kits. So they have these really pretty cupcake liners and then the cute little picks. That was from the fall. Then I had to get a little snack. Got some corn nuts. And let's see. Oh, I got this purple spider web because it was a darker purple. So you can see like the difference between the two. I like the two different colors. Then I found this garland, which I thought was fun. And I thought it was really full considering it was coming from a dollar store, because usually they're like really thin. And this was only, was this $1? Yeah, this was only $1. So I thought that was a good deal. Then I got these glow-in-the-dark skeletons. You can see them up here in the picture, and they already have strings on them. So let's see, where are, yeah, they have strings on them so they can hang. So I thought those were cool. And we have 2 more bags. Okay, and then I found this really pretty tablecloth. And I got some black crepe paper, which I don't know why the bag has like that orangish tint, but they really are black. It just has that weird orange tint on the bag. I found some more of the cupcake kits, but this one is kind of like a pie theme, and it's got that really cute little pumpkin latte and pumpkin pie pick. And then I got these cute little cauldrons. Another one of the confettis. Then I got this pretty brown tulle. It's a glitter tulle. And my husband put this in the cart, so I'll show it. It is sandpaper. 9 by 11 sheets of sandpaper, only $1, 10 pieces. Oh, and it has different grits, so it's got like 60, 80, 100, and 120. That's cool. So we got some sandpaper. And then this bag is stuffed full, guys. So I also have a Dollar Tree haul coming up where I have a lot of fall and Halloween stuff. I got another pack of the spiders with the orange sequins. I got this pumpkin. This was $1.99, and I thought it was super cool looking. It's got spikes on it. It's like an orange glitter pumpkin with spikes. And oh, you know what? It says only at the 99, so I think it is called the 99. I got some more LED lights. These were $1. I also got them in purple. And I got some of the red glitter tulle. It's like a burnt red kind of. And I got some of the black spider webs. And some of the orange tulle. And I got some of the bracelets in black. And another pack of the black sequin spiders. And another one of the confettis. And then I got these really cool hands. It's a necklace. These were $2.99. Were they two? Yeah. Yeah, they were $2.99. You can see it's a necklace, but I'm thinking you can take it apart and use the hands for something. So we'll see. And I also found it in gunmetal. Then I got this really cute confetti, and it's got ghosts and holo pumpkins and what are oh, witches flying on brooms and holo bats. So I thought that was really cute. I think I got a couple of those. Yeah, I got 3 of those. I thought I only got 2, but I got 3. And then I found this cupcake kit. This is more of like a pumpkin theme. And then I got these. These are waterproof mini lights. These were $1.49. And I got this ribbon. That's a pretty burgundy color with like that those glittery threads in it. Oh, and I got another one of these table scatters. And I found these Halloween lights. These were $1.49, so I got them in orange. And I got some in purple. And I got these cute felt stickers. So they have these really cute cats, this adorable bat, and you can't really see the pumpkin. Let me see if I can, yeah. So there's the cute pumpkin. I love how they all have eyes. And I got these really cute buckets. They say trick or treat. This one says trick or treat, or these little pails, I guess you could call them. And these were only $1. So I thought that was a good deal. These are really big. Like, you get them in the Target dollar spot and they're a lot smaller. And then I got this cute cat on a broom. And I got these lights. These were $1.49. These are LED string lights, and they are little leaves. And I got the bracelets in purple. And let's see what this is. Oh, I got these. Are these flies? Yeah, I got these creepy flies. These might be good to like rub some gold on. I don't know what kind of gold yet. Maybe, I don't know, maybe gold acrylic paint, something like that, to like, or even silver. And then we're gonna end this haul with a delicious goodie, which is mini strawberry donuts. Well, I shouldn't say a delicious goodie because I haven't tried them, but I saw these and I was like, I need to try those. So mini strawberry donuts from Little Debbie. Yum. So that was my haul, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Check the info box if you'd like to join me on Instagram. And I thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.